back with another simple and absolutely delicious dinner idea that you can put together under few minutes. To start, I'm going to be starting by peeling the sweet potato. While I peel the sweet potato, I just want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you for engaging on my content. I did not take it for granted. Thank you so much, guys. I truly appreciate you guys and I love you guys so much. As you guys can see, I'm just cutting the sweet potato into any shape of my choice. I didn't have perfect shape, all right, but it doesn't matter. We move. Once I cut the potato, I put it in the water and I add a little bit of salt to it and allow it to sit for a few minutes. After I've rinsed the potato properly, all right. Here is the oil. The oil is hot. I just transfer the sweet potato into the oil and allow it to fry. You can go ahead and bake your sweet potato in the oven, which I have a video on that. But today we are going for fried sweet potato. I'm going to transfer the potato into the other side of the cooker so I can prepare the sauce, all right. As you guys can see, I just added a little bit of oil into the pan and allow to heat up. Once it's heated up, I go in with my smoked fish. I have a video on that, the link in the description box below as well. I'm going to go ahead and allow it to fry for a couple of seconds before I go in with my pepper. Here the fish is perfectly fried. I go in with my pepper, which is basically onion, tatashe, and some chili pepper. I stir everything together nicely until they are well combined. Added some chicken stock into the sauce and I make use of seasoning cube and a little bit of salt to taste. Feel free to make use of any seasoning of your choice. That chicken stock is well seasoned. That is why I didn't add any other spices. But as I said earlier, add any seasoning of your choice. I go ahead and stir everything together nicely. I'm going to allow the sauce to fry until it's perfectly done while I check on the potato. The potato is fried to my liking. I'll go ahead and remove it from the oil and set it on a paper towel and place it aside. Back to the sauce. The sauce is perfectly cooked as well, but we are going to make it look more beautiful and make it more healthy. I'll go ahead and add a little bit of green veggies to it. That is optional, but trust me, it takes the sauce from 0 to 100. Just a little bit because you don't want to turn it to vegetable sauce, alright? Or you don't want to turn it to a foil, alright? We just like we are using the veggies to garnish it, alright? Once I add the veggies, I stir it together nicely. I just cover it and allow to steam together for about a minute or so. And that is basically it, guys. Give it a final good taste. Serve your family, serve yourself, and enjoy. It's so simple to put together, and trust me, your family will love it. I also fried some Irish potato and some sweet potato as well, and it turned out absolutely delicious. As you guys can see, we cannot wait. We demolish it instantly. It tasted so good, guys, and I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.